All right, good morning. Mike here with Atlas Rim Repair. First wheel today is going to be a Buick Encore. You see it's got scratches a lot of the way around the wheel, just smaller spots. This one's kind of deep here, and we got a scratch in here. You got this piece of chrome trim on here. So before I start, I'm going to tape this off so I don't scratch it or get paint on it later. So let's start with that, and then we'll start getting rid of the damage here. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to the channel, that helps a lot. If you enjoy this video, give it a like. And also there will be links in the description to tools and products that I use to repair rims. Let's get this going here. Got that taped up. It's got tire shine all over it, so the tape's not going to stick very well. Just see if we can wedge it in there so it stays in place. All right, and since this isn't super deep damage, I'm just going to fix it with the, I'm going to hit it with the 320 grit sandpaper. Then I'll scuff it and paint it. I think these have probably been repaired before. That paint's coming off very easy. May not have been clear coated either. Can't tell. All right, let's go ahead and clean the wheel off and be ready for paint. So this is the only piece of chrome trim I had to clean or to tape off. All the other damage was in areas not near the chrome piece. So. So this isn't a color I actually stock. I don't do a lot of Buicks. So I just mixed up a custom color, which was Sonic Carbon with about 20% light hyper. So we got the paint on, now we'll go ahead and clear coat. And pull the tape and wheel number 1 is done.